Here I have MEIZU Pro 7 and let me show you how to perform the virus scan on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Find and select the security right here, and here you need to select the antivirus right here. The device is scanning the phone, looking for some risks and viruses. As you can see, phone is safe, so here we've got the information about scanned files and some other stuff. Let's tap done, and now you are sure that your device is safe without any risks and viruses. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.